Jai Class 6 friends, how are you? Hope you everyone just fine. Class 6 friends, listen carefully. This is computer class and me Tarkeshwar sir. Now, you know very well the publisher application is going on in the computer book. So, we just going to understand about the some other objects in the publisher. Okay, so now firstly you just keep your book beside you, and on there you have to open the chapter 7 page number 85. Okay, when you just open the page number 85, on there the working with objects in publisher 2013 is given, and I taught working with the shapes options. Okay, now the second is building blocks. The second option is building blocks. Okay, building blocks option is given here. In the building blocks, what the building blocks are usable objects in publisher 2013. These building blocks can be combination of text, graphics, shapes and other building blocks. It means the text, graphics, shapes. Text, graphics and shapes. Okay, it is a combination of them. The building blocks is a combination of text, graphics, shapes and other objects. Now, the building blocks can be accessed and reused at any time. There are 5 types of building blocks in a publisher, out of which 4 are available in the building blocks group, and the 5th business information is available in the text group. First, the page parts. It provides pre-formatted elements such as heading, sidebars, text and images. Second is calendar. It is provides some pre-designed calendars format. Next is border and accents. So it can be used to add graphic. Elements such as borders and frames to a application, to a publication. Advertisement. It provides pre-designed element for the advertisements, includes coupons with which you can create your own advertisement. Now, the last is business information. You can create your business contact information using the predefined format. Okay, after that the next is working with the pictures. Working with the pictures. Picture enhance the visual appeal of a document. In some documents, adding pictures can be essential. For example, a brochure can be created without the use of picture in it. The picture tool in Publisher 2013 lets you add and modify image your document. First, inserting a picture. To insert a picture in Publisher, you can either select a picture from your saved collection, or you can choose from the large collection of Publisher clipart. Let us discuss the steps to insert a picture saved in our computer. The steps to do show are as follows. Click on the Insert tab. In the illustration group, click on the picture placeholder button. The placeholder will appear on the page. Click on the placeholder icon. Click from a file button to browse file stored in your computer. The insert picture dialog box will appear. Select the picture you want to insert and click on the insert button. To select picture gets inserted in the publication. Now the next is adding pictures in a scratch area. Suppose that you want to just add pictures in scratch area. So publisher allocates free space around the publisher window known as a scratch area. First, to insert multiple pictures in a scratch area, click on one picture, press shift and click other image to selected will insert the application. Arranging pictures in a thumbnails. Thumbnails are a small representation of pictures. Publisher allow you to add thumbnails of pictures in a scratch area. Swapping pictures. Once you insert a picture in a publication, you may want to replace it another selected picture. To swap pictures, you can follow the given steps. Follow it. Now, cropping the picture. Cropping of pictures. When you just not to store unwanted desired portion of a picture, then you just choose the cropping of a picture. Aligning a picture. By the aligning a picture, you may set your picture from top, bottom, left, right. And resizing a picture. Resizing is a feature by which you just do your picture smaller and greater. Wrapping text around a picture. Wrapping text around a picture is a feature by which you just wrap your text beside the pictures. Setting pictures as a background. When you just apply the pictures as a background, then the text is above and the pictures on the background. Modifying pictures. Modifying pictures is a feature by which you just modify your pictures. Like that, you want to just change the appearance of the pictures. Okay, brightness, contrast. Let me have to do some things here. Then after, the next thing is this. Recoloring a picture. Recoloring a picture is a feature by which you just made your picture red, green, blue, either black and white. Compressing a picture. Compressing a picture by which you have to just change the design of the pictures. Like that, if you want to just compress the pictures 763 KB into 100 KB. Applying picture style. Applying picture style is the option by which you have to just select a style for your pictures. Then adding a caption. Adding a caption is a feature by which you just write the name of your picture. Now the application of Publisher 2030 with the objects, it means the 7th chapter is finished. You have to read it. On tomorrow I give the question answer about it. Thank you.